Hey everyone, Layla here, and let's talk about something that's been blowing my mind lately. AI in software development. I mean, we've all heard about AI making its way into every aspect of our lives, but this is next level. Think about it. What's one thing virtually every industry relies on right now? Software. And what if you could make software faster, cheaper, and more efficient? That's what's happening right now with AI, and it's completely changing the game. We're seeing a massive wave of AI startups popping up all over the place, each one tackling different aspects of software development. Some are laser-focused on automating the coding process itself, while others are building tools to help developers write better code faster. And then there are those that are using AI to completely reinvent how we test and deploy software. It's wild. So in this video, we're diving deep into the world of AI-powered software development. We'll be checking out 10 of the most exciting startups out there, all of whom are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. If you're even remotely interested in the future of software, or just want to see some seriously cool tech in action, you do not want to miss this. First up, we've got Engineer.ai, a company that's on a mission to make building software as easy as putting together a Lego set. Their platform uses AI to break down complex software projects into smaller, more manageable modules. Think of it like this. Instead of having to write thousands of lines of code from scratch, you can just drag and drop these pre-built modules, connect them together, and boom, you've got yourself a working app. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just low code or no code? And yeah, there are definitely some similarities, but what sets Engineer.ai apart is the power of their AI. It's not just about simplifying the building blocks of software, it's about understanding what you're trying to build and guiding you through the process. It's like having a super intelligent coding assistant by your side, helping you every step of the way. And the best part, you don't need to be a coding whiz to use it. Whether you're a seasoned developer who wants to save time and effort, or a complete beginner with a killer app idea, Engineer.ai can help you bring it to life. They've even got a marketplace where you can find pre-built modules for all sorts of different functions, so you don't even have to start from scratch. Overall, Engineer.ai is a game changer for anyone who's ever dreamed of building their own software. It's democratizing access to powerful technology and making it possible for anyone to turn their ideas into reality, regardless of their technical skills. Keep an eye on these guys, they're definitely onto something big. Next up is Builder.ai, and these guys are taking a slightly different approach to AI-powered software development. Instead of focusing on individual modules like Engineer.ai, Builder.ai has created an AI-powered architect that designs and builds entire software applications from the ground up. You heard that right? You tell Builder.ai what you want your app to do, and their AI takes care of the rest. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sounds like magic, but how does it actually work? Well, Builder.ai has trained its AI on a massive data set of existing software projects, learning the best practices and design patterns for different types of applications. So, when you give it a set of requirements, it can analyze that data and generate a custom-tailored software architecture specifically for your needs. But it gets even cooler. Builder.ai's AI isn't just some black box that spits out code you don't understand. It actually provides you with a detailed breakdown of its design choices, explaining why it chose certain technologies or architectural patterns. This means you can learn from the AI, understand the reasoning behind its decisions, and even collaborate with it to fine-tune the design. It's like having an experienced software architect on call 24/7, ready to answer your questions and help you make informed decisions. Builder.ai is a testament to the power of AI to automate complex tasks and empower humans to focus on higher-level thinking. With tools like this, building custom software is no longer a luxury reserved for large corporations with deep pockets. It's becoming increasingly accessible to individuals and small businesses, opening up a world of possibilities for innovation and creativity. Let's move on to Augment, a company that's all about supercharging developer productivity. And let's be honest, who couldn't use a little boost in that department? Augment's AI-powered platform integrates directly into your code editor, providing a suite of tools designed to streamline your workflow and help you write better code faster. One of their coolest features is their AI-powered code completion. We've all seen basic code completion before, but Augment takes it to a whole new level. Their AI engine doesn't just suggest individual words or phrases, It actually understands the context of your code and can predict entire lines or even blocks of code. It's like having someone reading your mind and finishing your sentences for you, except it's code, and it's awesome. But Augment doesn't stop there. They've also got some seriously impressive code analysis capabilities. Their AI can scan through your code base, identify potential bugs, security vulnerabilities, or performance bottlenecks, and even suggest solutions. It's like having a super-powered code reviewer looking over your shoulder, catching errors before they become major headaches. Augment is a prime example of how AI can be used to augment human capabilities, not replace them. By automating tedious tasks and providing developers with intelligent insights, Augment allows them to focus on what they do best: solving complex problems and building amazing software. Now let's talk about Turing. Turing is doing something really interesting. They're not just building tools for individual developers, they're building the future of software teams. Turing's platform uses AI to match companies with the best software engineers from around the world, creating remote teams that are perfectly tailored to their specific needs. Think about it. Hiring skilled developers is a huge pain point for a lot of companies, especially in today's competitive job market. You've got to sift through resumes, conduct interviews, and hope you're making the right decision. Turing takes the guesswork out of the equation by using AI to analyze thousands of data points, from technical skills to work experience to personality traits, to match companies with the ideal candidates for their projects. But it gets even better. Turing's platform doesn't just stop at matching. They also provide a whole suite of tools to help manage remote teams, including project management software, communication channels, and even performance tracking. It's like having a dedicated HR department, project manager, and team therapist all rolled into one. Turing is a perfect example of how AI can be used to break down geographical barriers and connect companies with the best talent, no matter where they are in the world. And as remote work becomes increasingly common, platforms like Turing are only going to become more essential for businesses of all sizes. Let's move on to Codota, another company that's pushing the boundaries of AI-powered code completion. Now, we already talked about Augment's impressive code completion capabilities, but Codota takes it to a whole other level. Their AI engine has been trained on billions of lines of code, giving it an unparalleled understanding of coding patterns, syntax, and best practices. What sets Codota apart is its ability to provide highly accurate and context-aware code suggestions. It's not just about suggesting the next word or phrase, it's about understanding the intent behind your code and offering suggestions that are relevant to your specific task. It's like having a super intelligent coding buddy looking over your shoulder, whispering helpful hints and shortcuts in your ear. But Codota doesn't just help you write code faster, it also helps you write better code. Their AI engine can identify potential errors, suggest improvements to your code style, and even help you refactor your code to make it more efficient and maintainable. It's like having a personal code mentor built directly into your code editor. Codota is an essential tool for any developer who wants to level up their coding skills and become a more efficient and effective programmer. With its powerful AI engine and intuitive interface, Codota makes it easier than ever to write high-quality code, faster than ever before. Now let's talk about a slightly different aspect of software development: data. We all know that data is the lifeblood of modern software, but managing and making sense of all that data can be a nightmare. That's where Unstructured comes in. They're using AI to help developers extract valuable insights from unstructured data like text documents, emails, and social media posts. Think about it. Unstructured data is everywhere, but it's notoriously difficult to work with. Traditional software tools just aren't equipped to handle the complexities of natural language, but Unstructured's AI-powered platform excels at it. They've trained their AI models on massive datasets of text and code, enabling them to understand the nuances of human language and extract meaningful information from even the messiest data sources. But it gets even cooler. Unstructured's platform doesn't just extract data, it also helps you understand it. Their AI algorithms can identify patterns, trends, and anomalies in your data, providing you with actionable insights that you can use to improve your software, make better decisions, and gain a competitive edge. Unstructured is a game changer for any company that wants to unlock the hidden potential of their unstructured data. With their powerful AI platform, you can finally start making sense of all that messy data and turn it into a valuable asset for your business. Let's move on to Bodo.ai, a company that stands out for its comprehensive approach to AI-powered software development. Bodo.ai offers a suite of tools that cover the entire software development lifecycle, from ideation to deployment and beyond. What sets Bodo.ai apart is its deep integration of AI into every aspect of its platform. They've got AI-powered tools for project planning, code generation, testing, debugging, and even deployment. It's like having a team of AI experts working alongside your development team, providing support and guidance every step of the way. But Bodo.ai's real strength lies in its specialization in AI software development itself. Their platform is specifically designed to help developers build, train, and deploy AI models with ease. They've got pre-built templates, drag-and-drop interfaces, and automated workflows that simplify the often complex process of AI development, making it accessible to developers of all skill levels. Bodo.ai is a game changer for companies looking to incorporate AI into their software development processes. Whether you're building AI-powered applications from scratch or just looking to add AI features to existing software, Bodo.ai provides the tools and expertise you need to succeed. Next up is Kite, and these guys are all about one thing: code completion. Now, we've already talked about a few other companies doing code completion in this video, but Kite deserves a special mention because their AI-powered code completion tools are truly in a league of their own. Kite's AI engine has been trained on a massive dataset of code from open-source projects, giving it an incredibly deep understanding of code syntax, libraries, and APIs. But what really sets Kite apart is its ability to provide context-aware code completions that are scarily accurate. It's like Kite can read your mind and predict what you're going to type before you even type it. But Kite's code completion is just the tip of the iceberg. They've also got some seriously impressive documentation lookup capabilities. Just hover over any function or method, and Kite will instantly pull up the relevant documentation from the official sources. No more wasting time searching through endless pages of documentation. Kite brings it right to your fingertips. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Kite is an invaluable tool that will save you time, reduce errors, and help you write better code. With its lightning-fast code completion and comprehensive documentation lookup, Kite is like having a super-powered coding assistant by your side 24/7. Let's move on to Wizard, a company that's using AI to revolutionize the way we design and build user interfaces. Wizard's platform allows you to transform your design mockups into working code with just a few clicks. That's right, you can say goodbye to the tedious and time-consuming process of manually translating designs into code. Wizard's AI does it all for you. Here's how it works. You simply upload your design file, whether it's a Photoshop mockup, a sketch file, or even a hand-drawn sketch on a napkin, and Wizard's AI will analyze the design and generate clean, production-ready code in your preferred framework. It's like magic, except it's real, and it's awesome. But Wizard's capabilities go beyond just converting designs into code. Their AI can also suggest design improvements, ensure your designs are consistent with your brand guidelines, and even generate multiple design variations for you to choose from. It's like having a team of expert designers at your beck and call, ready to help you create beautiful and functional user interfaces. Wizard is a game changer for designers and developers alike. Designers can finally see their designs come to life without having to learn how to code, and developers can save countless hours by automating the front-end development process. Finally, let's talk about Test AI, a company that's using AI to take the pain out of software testing. Testing is an essential part of the software development process, but it can be incredibly time-consuming, repetitive, and let's face it, kind of boring. Test.ai's AI-powered platform automates the entire testing process, freeing up developers to focus on more creative and challenging tasks. Here's how it works. You simply point Test.ai's AI at your application, and it will automatically learn how to interact with it, identify different elements, and create a comprehensive suite of tests. No need to write any test scripts, no need to manually click through your application. Test.ai's AI does it all for you, but Test.ai's AI doesn't just blindly click around, it actually understands the context of your application and can identify potential usability issues, functionality bugs, and even security vulnerabilities. It's like having a team of expert testers working around the clock to ensure your software is of the highest quality. Test.ai is a game changer for any company that wants to improve the quality of their software while reducing development costs and time to market. With its powerful AI-powered testing platform, you can finally say goodbye to tedious manual testing And hello to faster, more efficient, and more reliable software releases. So, there you have it. 10 AI startups that are absolutely crushing it in the world of software development. From AI-powered code completion to automated testing and everything in between, these companies are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI and transforming the software development landscape as we know it. It's clear that AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy, it's a reality that's already here and rapidly changing the way we build software. The potential of these AI-powered tools is immense, and I, for one, am incredibly excited to see what the future holds. So, keep an eye on these innovative companies, because they're leading the charge in the AI revolution, and they're just getting started. Who knows what amazing tools and technologies they'll come up with next? One thing's for sure, the future of software development is going to be very, very interesting.